Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I'm COOKE, the Philly real estate guru. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and always remember, hit that bell after you subscribe to get more of my video content. Today I want to explain different types of mortgage products out there, who needs them, how can you apply them, and what do they mean to you. There are several types of financing out there that people need to understand so that they can apply them in their lives. Purchasing the wrong home can affect your lifetime, and getting the wrong type of financing can be just as detrimental. Very serious and big time investment. To help educate you out there in your home buying experience, I want to explain the different types of financing out there and the products for each and how you can apply them. As a mortgage loan originator, my job description is to help the applicant, which will be the home buyer or the homeowner, in the process of filling out the loan application, getting all of the necessary qualifying documentations, would be your income, bank statements, those types of things, and also issuing you an approval. That's why it's very important to get a mortgage approval when you take your first steps to purchase your first home. I can equate it to going out, buying any type of product from the store out there and not having your wallet or cash in your pocket. There's no way you can complete that transaction. In the real estate industry, you cannot complete a transaction unless you first have a mortgage approval. So with that being said, a mortgage loan originator is going to help you in your first step towards purchasing your home. Not only is your mortgage approval an important tool in your first step of buying a home, but it will have pertinent information which will outline and forecast your steps going forward. How much of a home you can purchase, whether it's $100,000, $200,000, or $300,000. These things are important because as you start to shop and look around, when you realize what you qualify for, you can narrow down your search more effectively. So it is very important and crucial that you have a very professional and very knowledgeable mortgage loan originator. He's the person that's going to be financing your dream home. FHA loans are a very important product in today's times. They help people who normally would not qualify under a conventional mortgage obtain and secure financing. They have lesser credit score requirements, and they have stricter inspections, which means that more people will qualify and they will receive a better product as the end result. VA loans are a great product for our people who served in the military. Many of our military people qualify for a VA loan with 100% financing, which means they do not have to put a down deposit down. This is a great product for any and everyone who's been in the military and who qualifies for this type of product. A conventional loan is just your normal standard loan. It gives you options where sometimes a government loan may not provide. You may have a situation where you like the home, but because of the regulations of the government, it may not qualify for an FHA loan. A conventional loan gives you the opportunity to still make that purchase. A USDA loan. A USDA loan is a very great product for people who want to live in a rural area. Many people think that a rural area is simply farm area, and that's not true. There are many areas which are not farmland or huge plots of land that are still considered a rural area. So do your research out there, find out what areas are rural or not, and you may qualify for a USDA loan. A USDA loan will provide 100% financing. So in cases where you may not have enough down deposit money up, if you could search around and find out what rural areas may be to your benefit, you could obtain 100% financing for these homes. So now you may be saying, I want to purchase a home, Al, but what type of financing do I need? Well, if you're buying a home, you may be a little confused and saying, do I want to get an FHA loan or do I want to get a conventional loan? And at the end, you have to see which one is best for you. FHA loans, like I said, give low credit score approvals. They even have an FHA 203K. So if you find a property which may need some renovation, you can get that package up and put into an FHA 203K loan. That will allow you to buy a home, sometimes under market value, find a contractor, get a loan, fund the construction, and actually have the home renovated tailored to your needs. So making a choice, you need to have an educated one. That's where mortgage loan originators come in. They can help you decide which product is best for you. These products will determine how much money you put down. They will determine the interest rate. They may even determine the area that you live in. Always consult with a very good mortgage loan originator when it comes to your mortgage products. Many people have heard of a refinance or refinance cash outs or refinance rate and term. You may want to refinance to get cash out to do an additional product in the home you already own. You may want to do a rate and term refinance. Rate and term is simply your interest rate and the term, the years in which you pay it. You may want to change your interest rate from 6% to 3% if you qualify. You may not want to pay your home off in 30 years. You may want to pay it off in 15 years. Rate and term refinances are a very valuable tool. You may want to get a line of credit. A line of credit is very similar to like a credit card. You can have a designated amount, let's say of $50,000, and you can use that at will and repay it back at will also, as long as you make the monthly minimum payment. With that being said, we are in an historic time right now. Interest rates are so low, a $200,000 home could cost you approximately $850 per month. Don't let this opportunity slip you by. Consult with a good mortgage loan originator today to help you finance the home of your dream. And remember, you do not need to have perfect credit. Here at ACRE Mortgage, we help people with bad credit. I do free consultations on that, and I actually write the letters to the credit bureaus myself, free of charge, to get you in position to purchase your home. Also at ACRE Mortgage, you will not only have me, but you'll have a team of mortgage professionals dedicated to helping you reach your financial goals. If you can't get a hold of me, you will surely be able to get a hold of one of my team members. Like I said, thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm ACOOKE, the Philly real estate guru. Feel free to reach out to me for a free consultation. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get more notifications of my videos.